Hey guys, welcome back. Brittany here. Today we are going to be doing a cranberry-ish pink look. Kinda. I don't really know what to call it because right now I have a vision in my head. But if that vision comes out throughout this video, we'll find out. But stay tuned to see how it looks. So, first, primer. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. And next for foundation, we're going to use this Maquillage, I think that's how you say it, but it's in shade I Woke Up Like This. I got this in the mail the other day, and it looks like it's my color, but we'll find out, I guess. I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and just buffing that into the skin. Looks like it's a little light. We'll just keep blending. So I don't think it looks that bad. Let's finish off the face and make the final verdict, I guess. Looks like it's very light coverage, given the fact that some of my spots here are still shining through. But, I mean, that doesn't bother me. Skin isn't always perfect, so I guess I'm just gonna go with it. Next, I'll be taking my concealer, the CoverGirl Ready Set and Gorgeous in light, and I'll be just, going where the bags are, because well, they're not too bad today, but I haven't slept much, so we're still gonna cover them. And as always, gonna take that up on the upper lid. I think I cut myself here. I think that's why it's not really covering, but so I don't really have any like smile lines or wrinkles right now, so we will continue to see. It looks like my face looks like this is really drying. I already put moisturizer on before I started filming, but it looks like this is super drying, so I would say this is more for oily skin. I have kind of combo skin, more on the dry side, so this is maybe not the foundation for me, and that's okay. But next I'm going in with the Coty Airspun translucent powder and just the puff that they give you. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna just cover my face. What do you guys do when you're doing your makeup? Do you listen to music? Do you like to do it in silence? Do you like to do it with other people? Let me know down in the comments below. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown, and I'm just gonna kind of give a basic shape to my eyebrows. Next, I'll be going in with my Maybelline, and it's the Ultra Brow in dark brown. My heat just kicked in, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. Or sorry if you can also hear any of my roommates. I am a college student, and we have roommates because college is expensive. Next, I am going to go in with my Anastasia Soft Glam. And I'm just gonna take their brush, you know, we're gonna keep this like, we're gonna keep it simple and like I would guess affordable, because the palettes are not like super expensive, but they're not like super cheap either. So I'm just gonna go into Tempera, put that all over the eye. Next, I'm gonna take Sienna into my outer corner / crease. Now, because this is a darker color than what we just used, go in light-handed if you are new, or you can just go for it like me, because why not live life on the crazy side and just go for it. I'm gonna keep this really basic, that way it translates to your eye shape or whatever eye shape you have, because not everyone's the same. And next, I'm still using the same brush, just going lightest to darkest, that way it's not really doing anything. We're going into Mulberry, and I'm going to put that on the outer crease to darken everything, and pull that in, but only halfway. And just like lightly blending it in, because I want most of this color to stay on the outer edge. I'm going to use my JH30 and just soften those outer edge. You know, you can use whatever color you would like on whatever brush you would like, just to soften that outer edge so it's not so harsh. I'm going to go back into Mulberry and just drag that underneath my eye. Aww. So we're just gonna blend that sides, just bring them down, connect them. So next we're gonna kind of go into the like foils or the shimmers of the palette. I'm pretty sure they're more of a foil. I don't know, I'm still learning in all this makeup, just like you guys. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna grab Sultry on the brush. I'm gonna take my setting spray and spray the brush. And I'm gonna pack that in the center of the lid. And repeat on the other eye. Because we're gonna go back in and do the same technique that we just did, but we're gonna do it with Rose Pink. It's a lighter pink. So go in, spray it. And then take it to the inner corner, like inner part of the eye. Should brighten it up a lot. I'm also gonna drag that color underneath. And repeat. Next, we're gonna do eyeliner. I'm taking my Revlon Color Stay in black, and I'm gonna put it in my bottom waterline and my top waterline. Now this is just me, that's how I like the look on my eye. If you wanna do a winged liner, you go for a winged liner. You don't have to do it in your waterline. I personally just think this techniques make my blue eyes pop a lot more. Next, we're going in with Lash Paradise from L'Oreal on the upper and lower lash lines. Oh, touched my eye. Have you guys ever done that? So I feel like today is a pretty good lash day, and I don't think I need to do falsies, but if you feel like doing falsies, go for the falsies. Next, I'll be going into my Ofra highlighting palette, and I'm going to use Island Star. We love a good glow. Next, we're going to go in with Calabasas from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And that looks pretty darn good to me. So I'm just gonna set my face. And that completes this. I would say this is more like a pinky compared to a raspberry, so whatever pink raspberry, it's all in the family. So go ahead and leave a like or a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.